In this video I will show you how to use your T900 watch, as well as how to do pretty much everything on it. This guide will work on the T900 Pro Max as well as the Ultra version and the regular one. They are basically the same watch, just maybe different size a bit and different sides, but all the software and features are exactly the same. So, first things first, when you get your watch, there is a chance you won't be able to power it on. There's actually a very huge chance. So, this is a charger it comes with. And often it's actually quite tricky to insert this watch in the charger cradle, as it's quite wonky. So, these are the two pins. And these are the two contacts here, which you need to align and basically insert there. Again, you see it doesn't even fit properly. This is cheap Chinese garbage basically. And yeah, the problem is really these straps are actually tiny bit wide and a bit more wide, and they're not really fitting very well, so these straps are causing this. So when you are charging it, make sure you manually inspect these ends here, and yep, that way you'll be able to press it in and charge it up. Then to power it on, press this lower button and hold it for some while. Okay, it should power up. And yeah, it says hello. By the way, this watch even has a speaker here, so you can hear. Also, you got two buttons here. This is basically a back button as well, and you got a scroll wheel here. When you are on your watch face, when you use the scroll wheel, you can change the watch face on your watch. When you are in this menu where you have all the apps, when you use the scroll wheel, you can change the size of these basically, and that's very useful. Also, when you are in the menus, you see you can scroll it to control this stuff. Okay, next, when you swipe from down to up, bottom to up, and you can access these quick access menus. When you trying to pair this watch, make sure you have Bluetooth enabled, and you can enable it here. By the way, if you want to learn how to set it up with your phone, make sure to check out my other video. I have full guides there. It's quite lengthy. Anyway, you also got your flashlight here as well and stuff like that, and other quick access menus. You can change the brightness here, play the music and start a quick exercise. As well, if you press this button, you can change the style of your menus. And when you press this button, you can go to your basically all your apps. As you see, the style is quite different now. And again, we can scroll this button to scroll all of them, or we can also just swipe, since this is obviously a touchscreen. To go in any app, you basically simply press on it. To go back, you can either press this button to go to completely exit it, or if you want to just go one step back, you can swipe from left to right and get access to all our apps here as well. Again, if you want to change the settings, there are different kinds actually. There's this, you see it's quite different menus, so you can change just whatever you need. Then when you scroll from left to right like this, you get access to your quick launch menus. Also you get your weather data here as well. You need to pair your watch with your phone first before it will show. Also, if you're looking to set up your time and date and stuff like that, you need to go and pair it with your phone basically first, and it will automatically set it. Also, if for some reason you don't want to pair it with a phone, you can go to your settings and you can change the time setting here as well manually. However, just pair it with a phone and it will keep the time and date, everything perfectly always. Then if you scroll from top to down like this, you get access to all your notifications, all the history. To view them, simply click on them. To go back to main menu, swipe like that again, and you can use the scroll wheel to basically, and very easy to access these. Then if you want to set up an alarm, you basically have to go to your phone to do that. There's no way to set alarm from this watch for some reason, and that's kind of dumb actually. To power it off, you again go to your apps and find this power button and click that if you want to power it down. Then you also see here that you got the WhatsApp, Facebook, Skype, Twitter. However, these are basically fake icons. They take you to all your notifications. So when you press them and are confused, just so you know they're kind of fake. What else is fake about this watch? Unfortunately, all of these sensors on this watch are completely fake as well. So yeah, don't trust the sensors. It just shines a green light here, and let's measure heart rate. And as you see, green lights are blinking here, and they have just put in green lights here basically, and that's it. There's no sensor there, and it provides a believable value. It's the same thing for all these blood pressure and oxygen sensor. It's all completely fake. In fact, we can measure your blood pressure of a potato. Let's see. So you see this potato is actually alive and it has actually a very good blood pressure. So yeah, that's something to consider. Also, these exercises are completely useless and fake as well. So yep, it's just a stopwatch basically. And that's how you use and do everything on these watches. Again, if you want to pair it with a phone, make sure to check out my other video. I have full guides there. Also, if you are struggling to install these straps, again, check out my channel. I have a full guide on how to actually install them, as they are quite terrible actually, and they don't fit, and they're absolute nightmare to install. If you really struggle, check out my video. I have a trick to install them fairly easily. If this was helpful, make sure to hit the like button. See you!